I've been thinking about it all weekend. Need to get out of my head. It's no surprise I'm overthinking again. I thought I knew what I believed, but it changed again last week. I swear I try. I don't understand how you're always consistent, when honestly every day I'm feeling different. But when we're alone at my house, you're painting my nails on the couch. The only thing I'm thinking is I don't